Hi, welcome back. Today we are building with craft. Now hold on, that doesn't make any sense. Kind of does. We're crafting with Lego. We really are, which sounds so weird, but it is exactly what we're doing. We are making a trinket box, then we're making a photo frame and a little photo holder, all out of Lego, but I am here simply because we have a brand new mold for a capybara. Oh my gosh. All right, so details of this set. What even is it? I don't know, I've forgotten. Capybara. So distracted. It's so cute. It's side-eyeing us so hard. All right, so there are 334 pieces in here. $50 in Australia, $30 in the US. There are 3 bags. We've got 3 instruction books. Got a little bracelet piece. So yeah, we're making a trinket box, a photo frame. I can't remember what else we're doing. They're really cute though. Look at that. I love the patterning on this trinket box. Right, I've forgotten what information I haven't given you yet. Oh, the name of the set is actually Mirabel's photo frame and jewelry box. So first up we actually get a mini doll in this, which is so exciting. It's like a dot set, which is now a retired theme, but we also get a character in it as well. So you can play or display or use your build for something actually functional. So many ways to utilize these new Disney theme sets. So Mirabel, we've seen her before in this, in this incarnation. However, she does have the candle with a little butterfly print on it. So it's an opalescent yellow candle, got a white butterfly print on it. It is a light, which is very, very important. Okay, but this is the best part. Look at this capybara. I think this has to be one of the best Lego animals I have ever seen. That is such a huge call, but it just ticks every box. Look at his side eye. Look at his little ears. He's like a cartoon. He's like cartoony, but not too cartoony. He's so perfect. His side eye is spectacular and he's amazing. I want a whole herd of these. Hold on. What do you have? Like, what is a bunch of capybaras called? I don't know. I'll have to look it up. Anyway, capybara. This is why we're here. I've got him now, but we'll do the build anyway. No, I'm kidding. I'm really looking forward to doing the build as well. Okay, so we've got a bracelet. We've got a brand new printed tile with a butterfly on it, which is obviously the right theme for an Encanto set. We've got some coloured quarter pie tiles going on. The colours, I think, are indicative of each particular, well, of some of the characters, or maybe they're just Encanto colours. I mean, they work nicely, but you could also think that, you know, one of these colours is for Mirabel, like the bracelet is for Mirabel, and the pink or the purple is for, no, I'm getting too distracted. Anyway, cute little bracelet, fits my wrist, which is really nice. Next up, we are building one of the little the little photo holders, which also serve a double purpose as a stand for our characters. So there's one which is a stand for Mirabel and one which is a stand for Chispy? Is it Chispy, the name of the capybara? I'm just so excited by his existence. He's so cute. Okay, I love this little rounded greeny bit in lime green. Gotta love these crafty kind of sets for the interesting new colorings that we get for pieces. We got another butterfly print on the front. It's so pretty. It's so tropical. It's just absolutely the cutest thing. I'm trying to figure out what I've done wrong here. That's not one of the display thingies. That's going to hold the photo frame. So this side is actually a little display spot for our capybara, and you can actually disconnect these from the middle bit. So we'll put it all together and then you can pull it all apart. So many options, love it. So now we've got a mirror image of what we've just already built. We've got a little pink clip on the back of these, which is where you can put photos or your precious stickers or, as you know, a little reminder notes, whatever you want, you can pop them in here, but it kind of only fits one sheet. Yeah, one page. So just pop one single sheet in there. Don't go too hard and try and layer your stickers up like me, because it might bend them a bit. Okay, now we have got a photo frame. So this bit is going to go in between our 2 other little display bits, and this is a buildable photo frame. We got these bits on the inside so you can slide the photo in those little grooves in the black bits. Oh, and the rest of it is just decorative, which is like where all that dot stuff comes into play. So we've got the little pointy jelly bean pieces, which is what I like to call them. We got 2 of these exact same builds that go on either side. Now the pointy jelly bean pieces that I was talking about are the turquoise bits and the lime green, brand new in this color. I mean, it's a new shape anyway, so we're getting lots and lots of new pieces, a lot of new colors for these How pretty is this though as a frame? We can pop our little capybara on the side. I don't think he can hang out there forever though. This is the decorative top for our frame, and it's actually designed to be detachable. So let's just finish doing it first though. Love the fact we've got some turquoise leafy elements on it too as our decorations. Also pretty. It's so pretty, but also functional. I love that. Butterfly on the very top, more little bits of foliage down the bottom, and then we've got our photo frame. See, so you can just pop this off and then you can pop your photo in here. I didn't come prepared with an actual picture to put in here, so you're just gonna have to pretend it'll fit. You just have to cut one to fit. It's like not a standard photo size. So cute though. Or you can put whatever you want in there. You can put a note in there. Okay, all right. So there's our photo frame and our little displays. Bag number 3 has got the trinket box. And the trinket box is basically just a little bit of building, which is so fun. But then the rest of it is decoration. So we've got our structural, our uppy bits and our outward facing studs to actually attach the decoration onto the outside. And then we've got just a little bit of a box section. So cute. We've got clips at the back, and we're going to have smooth on the top so we can sit the little lid on the top, smoothing around the bottom. We've got sorry, I got a little bit excited there because I kind of expected it to be sitting flat on the ground, but we've got some little legs on it and little rounded bits underneath the legs so that you don't scratch your tabletop surface when you slide this all around, because, I mean, sliding it all around is the best fun. We've got 2 of these, exactly the same. They go on opposite sides, and we've got little pink pointy jelly beans in pink. Pink pointy jelly beans. I just love the shapes that you can create with them. It blows my mind. We're getting so many fun options these days. Okay, all right, so we have got the lid just to do now. So we've got our black pointy jelly beans to make our shape around, quarter pie black bits to make kind of a little rounded star shape. It's not really a star, isn't it? Kind of like a rounded diamond. Got the white pointy jelly beans to fill out. You don't have any exposed studs on the top here anymore with all of these new choices. So it's an entirely tiled top. That was really hard to say, but I got there. And we've got just one stud there to put a decorative element on. So this clips in on the back, opens up so beautifully. You use the butterfly as a handle, but you can also swap the butterfly out if you want. You could use your little chispy as they don't hold on. They don't have quite the clutch power of the butterflies, so maybe not. Maybe we'll just pop them over here on their little stands. Oh my gosh. The capybara! It's just too cute. I'm dead now. It's so cute. All right, so we can detach these. You can display these however you want. They make a really, really great, bright, happy desk decoration, but they're also functional. Oh, I love that. I love things to have a use. Now, I wonder if I can fit this bracelet. I cannot. I can't get the bracelet into the trinket box. Oh, that's right. It can be for other trinkets, or more likely it's going to be for my lollies. So I like to keep in these sort of things on my desk. Oh my gosh, this is so much more than I thought I was going to be getting just from looking at the artwork on the box. I mean, full disclosure, I came for the capybara, but I stayed for the build, and I'm really glad I did. It's gorgeous to look at. It is functional, and it has got the best capybara, I'm pretty sure I mentioned that already, with the most significant bombastic side-eye that you have ever seen. I love Sim so much. I want him times 100. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe, click the little notification bell, do all the things, and check back in and send me capybaras. See you soon. Bye.